I'm at Cape Town International Airport and I'm about to board my flight. So I'm on a 10-hour flight to Dubai, 1 hour left. I've been asleep for most of the flight because I have 4 seats open, so I basically have a bed. Check this. After like 19 hours traveling, finally made it to Bangkok. Now I need to find the airport, the rail link to get to my Airbnb. Tried to take the surfboard on the rail link and they said no, it's oversized. So I must take Grab, can't take the railway. I made it and I've settled into my accommodation. I'm gonna give you a quick tour because it's a very small room. I've got a private room, but the bathroom is not in the same room as the bathroom is over there. Hallway for there's other rooms around here, and then about 3 bathrooms over there, and the one on this side is mine, and aircon over here. It's super basic, but I'm paying like 500 baht a night because I'm staying for like 9 days. Feeling the jet lag, so I'm gonna take a nap and then I guess I'll see you tomorrow.